Good morning, teacher and class. Today our team will talk about the topic high-tech architecture. This is my member of our team. This project located in Hangzhou, Zhejiang province of China. OōEli is the first Chinese project undertaken by Renzo Piano, one of the Pulitzer Prize winners and an iconic comprehensive art park covering an area of about 230 square meters and incorporating offices, art museums, art centers, show fields, design hotels, and art commerce. The project is jointly invested by GNBY, a fashion brand, and COA. It's worth mentioning that COA is not only one of the investor of the project, but also the executive designer of entire park, which has provided only a comprehensive and systematic technical impetus for more than 7 years.
Initially inspired by an apple that has a soft and rich kernel wrapped in the hot interface, Renzo Piano finally changed the original design plan in order to introduce more air and sunlight to the square by reducing 11th floor to the 9th floor and setback terraces on the 7th and 8th floor with the view ensuring sufficient sunshine in the very corner. Similarly, in consideration of natural and the city, the space on the ground floor of the building lay a basis on transparency and visual penetration. Therefore, OōEli is not a closed office plot but an outline city palace and generator of a district life where a variety of activity and even will take place. Similarly, people communication activity will also exert influence on space, become the core and vitality in this park.
Hello teacher, it's my turn. In terms of setting architect design for I change first elevator in Forsyth around Kanchia. People must first reach the round underground rabbit and the path round Kanchia in the building. When the last cast around the ground slowly, people are raised in ecological environment in the country swamp, which the contrast in the spark. OōEli will invite different aesthetics to both bright and sound and the physical area, which will change chorus different seasons with the flower rate.
The ring core of OōEli is three-dimensional system which is present from bottom to top and at different elevation. Second, country ground vegetation, reflecting poor external power pot on the terrace and tea garden on the roof. The plain landscape is of this park was designed by Paul Cavan, an American plant ecology expert. The ring landscape extends from the underground to the ground and plant up along the building's face to the roof. As the fifth phase, the roof is banked with green tea trees, a signature tree species in Hangzhou. The operation team select two tea variety for the tea garden, Longzing No 43 and any white tea we have strong adaptability and can blend in natural and city.
External facade, the prefabricated unit style control system is extensively used for external facade, except for the first floor, second courtyard, and terrace. The total area of the customer is about 19,000 square meters, with six steps deposit anodized aluminum plate as the main material. Each unit is prefabricated and assembled in the factory, then hosted and hot up on the construction site with a beautiful, effective, and environment-friendly. Each process adopts the facade profiling treatment of success anodized aluminum plates, which is the first project at home that adopts this technology in a large area.
Currently, the commercial concept on the market cannot satisfy the requirement of the design refresh of only no matter in format, quality of stability in order to ensure consistent metrical and stable supply. Design and energy team seriously selection role metrical line and sand and cement in accident on the construction site were also reviewed with a mission plan to achieve custom size supply of high quality concept.
Sunken console, a total of 11 Sunken consoles were designed in OōEli. Among them, the three Karasasui console tank, wind, water, and air were built by the Japan Karasasui design master Sumino Matsuno and his team. Bright in pie of ship. Renzo piano design are bright in the locations of the reveals. CD bright. The red bright body is a bright element in the whole project. The two master wide design sidewalk on both sides of the bright that make the bright thinner and liner.